Okay, this is going to be just a short video to show you how to change colors. So for example, you're doing your herringbone half double crochet, going through the first loop, and then normally you will yarn over and then go through those two. But now, because you have to change color at the next one, if you do this, then you can't work this one with the new color, otherwise it will continue. So to change color, you will drop this one, and I suggest you always drop your yarn in on the same side. So what I mean is that, for example, I'm dropping it here, then picking up the other one, and then I'm finishing this stitch. Then I will continue and do the rest of the row with the new color. What I mean by always do it on the same side is, for example, let's say I'm coming back. So I'm coming back here. I'm doing my herringbone half double crochet. Just imagine I continued here and coming back here. Then I'm finishing. So instead of dropping it here, I would drop it here on the same side. And then I'll pick it up. Just make it tight. I'll finish my stitch and continue. This. Oops. So that will be your wrong side, basically. And then the clean side when you don't have these little stitches, loops, sorry.